Welcome to Review Source. Today we're covering the best gas-powered pressure washers, chosen for their engine reliability, pump durability, cleaning units, and real-world performance. We have analyzed the build quality and user feedback to ensure these machines can handle the toughest grime without backing down. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Now, let's get started. First up, we have the SIMPSON ALH3228S, a machine that bridges the gap between serious DIY enthusiasts and professional contractors. This unit is widely regarded as the gold standard in its class, primarily due to the premium components SIMPSON has utilized. It features a Honda GX200 engine, which is legendary in the industry for starting on the first pull and running quietly compared to cheaper alternatives. However, the real star here is the industrial CAT triplex pump. Unlike the axial cam pumps found on most residential units, a triplex pump runs cooler and offers a significantly longer lifespan, making this a true investment piece. The frame is constructed from aircraft-grade aluminum, which cuts down on weight and, more importantly, makes the unit rust-proof, a massive advantage for a tool that constantly works around water. Users consistently praise the sheer cleaning power delivered by the 3400 psi and 2.5 gallons per minute flow rate. While some owners note that the included monster hose is durable but quite stiff to coil, the consensus is that the reliability of the Honda and CAT pump combination makes this the top-tier choice for longevity.
Next on the list is the Westinghouse WPX3400, a heavy-duty option designed for versatility and deep cleaning. This unit pushes 3400 psi and a slightly higher water flow of 2.6 gallons per minute, which helps rinse away debris faster after you have blasted it loose. Powering the unit is a robust 212cc 4-stroke Westinghouse OHV engine that provides consistent torque for sustained cleaning sessions. One of the distinct advantages of the WPX3400 over its competitors is the integrated half-gallon onboard soap tank. Many other gas washers rely on a siphon tube that you have to drop into a separate bucket of detergent, but Westinghouse builds the tank directly into the frame for a streamlined workflow. The unit sits on a steel frame with 12-inch never-flat wheels, which users find incredibly helpful for navigating over rough terrain like gravel or tree roots. In terms of feedback, owners appreciate the value proposition, noting that it delivers commercial-level pressure at a residential price point. Moving on, we have the SIMPSON CM61083, also known as the Clean Machine. If you want the build philosophy of a SIMPSON, but don't necessarily need the premium price tag of the aluminum series, this is the solution. It delivers the same impressive 3400 psi and 2.5 GPM output, but swaps the Honda engine for SIMPSON's own CRX 208cc engine. This engine is specifically built for pressure washing applications and includes a low oil shutdown feature to protect the motor. The frame on this model is powder-coated steel rather than aluminum. While it is slightly heavier, the welded construction is extremely rigid and durable. It utilizes an OEM Technologies axial cam pump, which is maintenance-free. This is great for homeowners who want a set-it-and-forget-it machine without worrying about pump oil changes. Owners often cite this as the perfect bang-for-your-buck sweet spot. It strips grime effectively from fences and patios without hesitation. The main critique from users mirrors other SIMPSON models regarding the stiffness of the high-pressure hose, but the engine performance and the sheer stripping power of the water stream receive high marks for reliability.
Fourth on our list is the Westinghouse WPX3200. This model serves as an excellent entry point for homeowners stepping up from electric units to gas power. It offers 3200 psi and 2.5 gallons per minute, powered by a reliable 212cc engine. While it has slightly less pressure than its big brother, the WPX3400, it is more than capable of handling standard residential tasks like washing cars, siding, and walkways. The design focuses on ease of use. It features a compact footprint and the same convenient onboard soap tank system that eliminates the hassle of loose siphon tubes. The 5 quick connect nozzles allow you to easily switch between a focused 0-degree stream for tough stains and a wide 40-degree fan for delicate surfaces. User feedback highlights how easy this unit is to assemble out of the box, often taking less than 20 minutes to get running. It is frequently praised for being manageable and not overpowering for casual users, yet still possessing enough torque to clean concrete effectively.
Some users mention that the vibration can be significant on hard surfaces, so checking the bolts periodically is recommended. But overall, it is a highly rated residential workhorse.
Finally, we have the IvyBess SU098, a unit that aims to disrupt the market with aggressive performance claims. This pressure washer is rated for a massive 4,200 psi and 4.0 gallons per minute, powered by a 7 HP 212cc 4-stroke engine. On paper, these specifications are significantly higher than most competitors in this engine class, targeting users who need maximum stripping power for heavy stains or paint removal. The unit features a welded steel frame with a powder-coated finish for durability and sits on 10-inch pneumatic tires for shock absorption during transport. It comes equipped with a 25-foot steel-braided hose that is designed to be kink-resistant, along with a standard set of 5 quick-connect nozzles. The inclusion of a 1-liter soak tank with an adjustable switch adds to its utility for vehicle washing. Market feedback suggests this unit is favored by budget-conscious buyers looking for high-spec numbers. Users report that the pressure is indeed strong and effective for driveway cleaning. It's a compact powerhouse that offers a complete package for those who want to tackle heavy-duty cleaning jobs without investing in a commercial-grade brand name. And that wraps up the top 5 best gas-powered pressure washers. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Review Source, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tool picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.